Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at question 39 on LeetCode called combination sum. We're given a set of candidate numbers without any duplicates and a target number. We want to find all unique combinations in candidates where the candidate's numbers sum to the target. So in this case, we have 2, 3, 6, 7, and 7. So we can use 2 twice and the 3 to make 2, 2, 3. Or we can just use the 7 once. The most important part about this question is that we can use a number like 2 multiple times. So, if you haven't seen my other video on backtracking on the question permutations, you might want to take a look at that because this is another backtracking question since we want all possible combinations. So let's take this out. Oops. In this case, since we do want to reuse numbers, we're going to keep track of the index. And finally, let's keep a track of the sum that we're getting. So backtrack. We would take the temp, we'll take the sum, and we'll take the index. In this case, we'll have our if statement here, and we'll have our for loop here, and cool. So first, let's think about maybe the condition that we want to push this into the result. We can say if the sum equals the target, we'll push the array that we're updating into the result and return. But let's say if somehow we add one too many values into this. So if sum is greater than target, we don't want to do anything, just want to return. And cool. Okay, so for here, we want to iterate over the candidates. But because we want to be able to repeat candidates, for example, the 2 in this case again, we want to say I equals index. So when we backtrack, we can say backtrack temp, sum, and I. So this will basically let us reuse that candidate that we just used once again, as long as the sum doesn't go over the target. Let's update the sum over here. Sum plus candidate I. And let's update the temp. So just push it into here, and we pop it out afterwards. Cool. Let's see if this works. So let's invoke it. Invoke it. Yes. Awesome. It works. Let's see if we submit it. Works once again. So again, backtracking question. This is O n factorial, where n is number of candidate numbers. Once again, we're trying to find all possible combinations. So for almost all of these backtracking questions, it will have something to do with factorial runtime. As for the format, I don't think it's too hard to understand. Just know that because we can repeat, we're allowed to reuse the index that we're at. And that about sums up for this question. So I'll put a link to the question as well as my GitHub down below, and I'll see you guys next time.